Question 24. Peter has two pieces of wood measuring 120 centimeters and 315 centimeters. Calculate how much more wood he needs to make 5 meters. Now, the first thing you'll notice is this is mixed units. So we're talking centimeters there and centimeters there, and yet all of a sudden we're talking meters here. And you don't want that in a maths question. You want all the units to be the same. So let's make this into centimeters. So in 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 5 meters is going to be 500 centimeters. So we're actually talking 500 centimeters. So what we'll do is we'll add up what he's got so far. So that's 120 plus 315. Let's add that up. So far we are talking about nothing add 5 is 5, 2 add 1 is 3, 1 add 3 is 4. So we've got 435 centimeters. And we're trying to see what's left, how much more he needs to get 500. So what you could do is do this in your head. You could count up and say, well, I'd need 5 more plus 5 would get me to 440. And then once I've plus 5, I'm going to need another 60 to take me to 500. So it's going to be that 5 plus that 6. It just looks like it's going to be 65 centimeters. Or we could actually subtract the 435. Now, let's just write 65 centimeters, because that's what we think it might be. So 500. Now, I'm setting a bad example here because I should be using 1 digit per square. So let's do it with a column method of 1 digit per square. So it's going to be 500 take away 435. So 500 take away 435. Work that out, and hopefully we should get a 65 that we said earlier. 65 centimeters. So 0 take 5 we can't do. So you borrow from the next column, but you can't borrow from that 0. So you borrow from the 5, that becomes a 4. And the 1 you've borrowed, make that into 10. Still can't do this 0 take away 5 on the end. So you borrow from the 10, become a 9, and the 1 you borrow makes that into 10. And now we can do it. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 3 is 6. 4 take away 4 is nothing. So we're left with 65. And because we changed it into centimeters, it's 65 centimeters.